Did you know that you can now create an affiliate website promoting products from JVZoo, ClickBank and WarriorPlus in just 60 seconds? Hi, my name is Ankur Shukla and I want to show you how you can do this. Top marketers like Brett Rateke, Mike from Maine and Mark Bishop make thousands of dollars each month from their affiliate sites. And now you can do the same thing using my brand new plugin called WP Affiliate Machine. With Affiliate Machine, you can promote multiple affiliate products from these top affiliate networks without even writing a single word of content. Yes, I've done all the hard work for you. I've written over 30 product review articles and added them inside this plugin for you to click one button and publish to your site in seconds. I know you must be thinking, but Ankur, does this actually work? Well, let me show you. I started this affiliate site a few months ago using my Affiliate Machine plugin, and all I did was publish one article per week. Yes, just one article per week. I did zero marketing, no SEO, no social media, and no paid traffic for this site, absolutely nothing. I just wanted to get free traffic from Google and get sales from that. Now let me log into my JVZoo account and show you what this site has made me this month. Here, inside my affiliate report, you can see that this month I've made over $500 from free traffic from my site. Now let's go back a few months and see how much this site has made me since I started this site. So here, as you can see, this site has made me over $8,600 in commissions from free traffic. Yes, over 23,000 people have visited my site in the last few months just from Google search. And all I've done is publish one article per week and let WP Affiliate Machine do its magic. This works for you whether you are starting a new site or have an existing site. Want to see how you can copy this and use Affiliate Machine to earn commissions yourself? Let me show you. All you have to do is add the WP Affiliate Machine plugin to your WordPress site just like any other normal plugin and activate it. After that, go ahead and select how many articles you want to add to your site and where should they be posted. Then add your JVZoo ID, your ClickBank ID and your WarriorPlus ID over here. Now save all this info. Now go over to the Affiliate Machine page and you can click on this Force Import button to get your first article added to your site. That's it. That's all you have to do. In just a few seconds, an affiliate product review article is added to your site and you will get new articles every single day on your site without writing any content yourself. Let's take a look at how everything looks. Here is our first article on your brand new site and it comes fully loaded with images, videos, graphics and shows your affiliate link everywhere inside the article. Not just that, the Affiliate Machine plugin also has this cool pop-up box that is designed to increase conversions so visitors can take action and earn you more commissions from your site. Now as your site grows, new articles will be added every single day and you can edit them, rewrite them or do anything you want with it. Now this plugin also has automatic traffic built in for you that will drive you traffic from top social media sites and help you get more sales automatically. Not just that, you can even insert any kind of ads, banners or special promotions before or after the article content to make even more money from your site. Let me show you again how much this software and one single site has made me over the last few months. Over $8,600 without doing any work, just adding a new article every week and that is all I did. No money spent on anything, no marketing, no paid traffic, absolutely nothing. The Affiliate Machine plugin comes preloaded with 30 product review articles and even if you add a new article every day, you have content set for one full month. Now that is amazing and earning commissions from affiliate sites could not have been made any simpler. So how do you get this? All you have to do is click the button below and get your copy of WP Affiliate Machine today. Imagine if just one site could make you $500 per month, how many such sites will you create? That's all you need to do. Start with one site and then make a few more to earn a full-time income from affiliate marketing. Many top marketers do this and you have seen proof that I have done this exact thing over the last few months. It works. All you need to do is take action. So grab your copy of WP Affiliate Machine today and get started. We have a very special deal available right now, so hurry up and take action now before the price goes up. Hey, this is Ankur Shukla here and I want to quickly show you how you can create a fully loaded affiliate site with products and offers and content in just 60 seconds using the new Affiliate Machine WordPress plugin. Now, once you install your Affiliate Machine WordPress plugin, like any other normal plugin, it appears in the left menu over here. Now, when you click on it, you can actually see that you can import content from our source website, right? So you basically can go into settings first and then add how many articles you want to be imported every single day. Now, by default, this is set to 1, and that is what we recommend. All you have to do is basically set your JVZoo affiliate ID. So this is something you will find in your JVZoo account, and you can copy and paste it over here and then hit save. After that, you go into the affiliate machine page over here and then click on force import. Now, what this will do is basically import the first article on your site. Now, this is a complete article done for you with images, videos, and content that is already added to your site in just one click. Now, let's go ahead and see that, all right? So this is your article for the WP Auto Content software. It has the complete article, has the features, it has your own affiliate link, has a complete walkthrough video of the software, as well as all the pros and cons and an affiliate link as well. Also, you get this floating video demo that actually wants your readers to actually go ahead and click this button, which takes you to your affiliate link. Again, all these affiliate links on this site are your own affiliate links, which are automatically added to your article. Now, if you want, you can completely rewrite this article or change a few things or add more content. It's completely up to you, but this is a complete article. If you want to import more articles, go in here and click on the force import here once more. Now, this new products will be actually added to your site every single day, and that is what this plugin is designed to do. And it comes with complete 30 articles, which are product reviews that you will be approved for to promote and earn commissions from JVZoo. So as you click more and more times, you will get more articles added to your site every single time, right? So now you have 3 articles added to your site. Let us go ahead and see what your site looks like. So this is what your article site looks like, your review site looks like, and you have multiple articles added here already. If you go and click on one of these articles, it has the product image, it has the affiliate review over here, it has images, it has a complete demo version, a complete video demo of this whole software, and you can actually get affiliate commissions from your site. So this is the fastest and the most easiest way to launch your own affiliate site without having to do any manual work, without writing any content, without having to do any legwork, right? So if you want to earn commissions using JVZoo, and if you want to earn commissions using affiliate links and affiliate marketing, this is the plugin that you should have on your site, right? So download this plugin and build your affiliate site today. Thanks. Hey, this is Ankur Shukla here, and I want to show you some real proof from my website, which I've actually made using the WP Affiliate Machine software. So about sometime early last year, I created this review site where I wrote a review every single week. And I just kept doing that, did not do any marketing, did not actually work on any traffic sources. I simply just wrote a review every week and left it on the site and let the plugin do its job. And let me show you what income I have made from this site alone, simply writing one review a week. All right, so I'm going to log into my JVZoo affiliate account over here. And after I log in, I'm actually going to show you what I've earned from it in this month. So this is my current login, and today, the day is just starting. I've made $27 yesterday on a Sunday, and let us go back here to the affiliate dashboard, and I will show you what I have earned in this month. Okay, so in this report, I will select this month and hit refresh. And as you can see, I've made over $556 this month without doing any work, without driving any traffic, all completely organically. All these people have come to my site completely organically, and I've made 35 sales this month, right? So let's go back to when I actually started this site. Let's go back to early last year, okay? I'll change the date over here and show you quickly what I have made in the last 1 year, right? So I've made over $8,600 without doing any work, completely organically, by simply just writing an article every week. And with Affiliate Machine, you don't even have to do that, because I give you 30 product articles which I have written for you, and you just press one button and import that to your site. So you can just keep adding articles to your site, and this is what I've earned by doing exactly that, without doing any marketing, without driving any traffic, just complete organic SEO. And I've received over 23,000 visitors to my site because all these are popular products that people already want and they're already searching for, and over $8,600 have been generated in extra income for me without doing any work on my site. All right, so this is what I have received from my site and my review site, and I highly recommend you get WP Affiliate Machine and start building your review site to earn passive commissions just like this. All right, thanks.